Hi students, welcome to KGH Academy. Today we are going to discuss the topic averages. Our topic is average. What is meant by average? Actually for average we have a formula average equals this is the formula sum of numbers by number of numbers. Generally we know the formula average equals to what is the formula? Sum of numbers by number of numbers, this is the formula. For example, if I have 10,000 rupees, I want to distribute 10,000 among 10 students. Each one got how much means that is 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees is known as average. If we divide 100 rupees, for 10 people, for 10 people each one got how much means that is a 10 rupees is known as average. If we divide 120 rupees for 12 members, each one got how much means that is a 10 rupees, that is the average, that is known as average. Average means this is the single point, very important and most important point. Average means is nothing but equal distribution. Okay, right. And this is the general formula average equals to sum of numbers by number of numbers. After sum equals to this is the formula average into number of students. Average into number. And here this is the question. Let us suppose for example this is the first question. What is the average of 10, 12, 18, 20, 30? I want the average of 10, 12, 18, 20, 30. Generally, what is the formula? Average equals to sum of numbers by number of numbers, right? I mean, average means sum of numbers by number of numbers. That means 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 20 plus 30. 10 plus 12 is nothing but 22. 22 plus 18, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. What is the total value is 90. 90 divided by how many numbers are there? 5. 90 divided by 5 value equals to how much? 18. 18 is nothing but that is the average. Average equals to, we know the formula sum of numbers by number of numbers. Average equals to what is the formula? Sum of numbers by number of numbers. Just you need to take all the numbers total. What is the sum of all these numbers? 90. 90 divided by how many numbers are there? 5. 90 divided by 5 value equals to 18. 18 is our answer. Okay, right. And or else, for example, if you take one possibility number, assumption number 20. I need to compare all these number with the 20. Less number left side and more numbers right side. You tell me. 10 is how much less than 20? It is a 10. 12 is how much less than 20? It is a 8. 18 is how much less than 20? That is a 2. After that, if we compare 20 with 20, it is a 0. If we compare 30 with 20, it is a more by 10. Okay. Actually, these three numbers are less if you compare with 20. And here, this only one number is more than 20. I mean, we need to compare. These are the less numbers, so these are the more numbers. If you take addition of these numbers, this is a 10 plus 8, 18 plus 2, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10 is nothing but minus 10. It is equals to minus 10 divided by how many numbers are there? 5. 5 in 10 means how many times? 2 times. 20 minus 2 is equals to 18. Okay, 18 is our answer. This is also another way. I mean, average equals to sum of numbers by number of numbers. It is the direct approach. If you want to do any problems logically, average means equal distribution. If you want to take any number in this sequence or other numbers, just you need to compare all these numbers with this number. Actually, if you compare 10 with 20, it is less by 10. If you compare 12 with 20, it is less by 8. And if you compare 18 with 20, it is less by 2. 10 plus 8 is 20, 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 it less by 20 less. And it more by 10 more. Minus 20 plus 10 is equals to minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 5 is equals to minus 2. That means this number was deducted by 2. That means value equals to 18. 18 is our answer. Okay. Let us suppose if you take another example. Let us suppose one more example, sir. If you take 10, 20, 24, 36, and 40. I want the average of all these numbers, right? Okay, what is the average of 10, 20, 24, 36, 40? If you want to take all the numbers, first of all, okay, you need to fix one target. Or we have a traditional method, average equals to sum of numbers by number of numbers. That is the traditional method. Okay, or else if we want to take any number, just pick any number from this series of numbers, or you need to compare any round number. I mean, approximately I want to take 30 is the average, let us suppose. If you compare all these numbers with 30, 10 is less by 20, 20 is less by 10, and it is less by 6. If you compare 36, it is more by 6 and it is more by 10. Okay, minus 6 plus 6 cancel, plus 10 minus 10 cancel. That means 30 was affected by minus 20. So minus 20 divided by how many numbers are there? 5 numbers, that is equals to minus 4 only. 30 minus 4, answer is equals to 26. 26 is our answer. Simple. Okay, no need to take addition of any numbers. Just you have to think of one number. Just you fix that number with your target. Just I don't take any number in this series. Just I want to fix one target. That means maybe approximately that average is equals to 30. It is a possible thing. Maybe let us suppose the average of all these 5 numbers is equals to 30. Means I mean compare with the 10, compare 20 with 30, compare 24 with 30, 36 with 30 and 40. Right. If I compare 10 with 30, it is a 20 less, 10 less, 6 less. 6 more, 10 more. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel, minus 10 plus 10 cancel, and how much value less? Minus 20. 20, I want to divide that 20 for all the 5 numbers equally. This 20 is less number or more number? Less number. That's why minus 20 divided by 5 only. Minus 20 divided by 5 means 4. That average means average was decreased by 4. Average was decreased by 4. That's why 30 minus 4, answer equals 26. Simple. Very easiest question. Okay, is it clear, sir? Or this is the model number 1. Okay, average means this is the main important, most important point, sir. Average equals to generally all the members know that the formula. Average means average equals to sum of numbers by number of numbers. Why we are taking sum of numbers by number of numbers means this is the main important, most important point, sir. Equal distribution. I want to divide that value for all the people equally. That is known as average. Okay, listen carefully. And next, model number 2. This is the model number 2. In this model number 2, for example, this is a question. I mean 10, 20, 30, 45, x. Average is 34. Then what is the value of x? He is asking. 10, 20, 30, 45, x average is 34. What is the value of x? I am asking. In average topic, for procedure, we have only one tagline, one important point. If there is an average, we need to convert into total. If there is an average, we need to convert into total. This is the main point. Actually, what is the average here? 34 is the average, right? Is it clear? 34 is the average. Average means per head, per each one. Per each one, average is 34, right? 34 is the average of how many numbers? I am asking. 34 is the average, right? For how many numbers? Just you need to count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers average 34 means 34 into 5, that value equals to 170. 170 is nothing but that is the total. 170 is the total. You tell me how many numbers are there? 5 numbers. So that's why 34 into 5 value equals to 170. 170 minus. What is the total of all these numbers? All these numbers. So 10 plus 20, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 45, 105. 170 minus 105. Answer. It is a 170 minus 105. 170 minus 105 equals to value equals to, what is the value? Answer 65. 65 is the answer. Why we are multiplying with the 5? You tell me. Because we have how many numbers? 5 numbers are there. If 5 numbers are there, just you need to multiply with the 5. Okay, for all this topic, we have only one single point. If there is any average, we need to convert into total. Is it clear, sir? And what is the average there? 34. 34 into how many numbers are there? 5 numbers. 34 into 5, value equals to 170. What is the total of all these numbers I am asking? 10 plus 20, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 45, 105. So 170 minus 105, value equals to 65. 65 is the answer. 65 is the answer. So 170 is the total of all the numbers, 105 is the total of 4 numbers. 170 minus 105 and value equals to 65. Or else we have another approach. Okay, please look at me on the board also. Just listen carefully. Okay, this is the main important points. Okay, did you understand this one? This is the procedure. Okay. Okay, I mean, what is the average here? It is nothing but that is a 1 minute. It is nothing but 34. 34 is the average. Okay, I mean, if you compare 10 with the 34, if you compare 10 with the 34, 34 is how much more than 10? I am asking. Okay, it is simply it is equals to 24 extra. Next, its value is equals to 14 extra. Next 4 extra. If we compare these two, 45 and 34, how much less is equals to minus 11? Okay, this one is the answer. Very simple. 34, 58, 58, 62, 72, 76 minus 11. Okay, value equals to 65. This answer. Okay, right. First of all, my dear friend, we need to compare these numbers with the average. If we compare 10 with 34, how much more? 24. If we compare 20 with 34, how much more? 14. If we compare 30 with 34, how much more? 4. If we compare 45 with 34, it is less by 11. Okay, 11. I mean, 30, 50, 60. Okay, 76. 76 minus 11 is equals to 65. 65 is the answer. Here we have two options. One is the procedure, second one is the shortcuts. In procedure, our main important theme is if there is any average, we need to convert into total. If there is an average, we need to convert into total. Listen carefully. Or else, here we have a comparison. That means here we have average 34. If we compare 10 with 34, it is a 24 extra, 20, 34, 14 extra, 30, 34, 4 extra, minus 11. Okay, to calculate in shortcut, just you have some calculation tricks also. You have to learn calculation tricks. Okay, right. Next one. For example, 10, 12, 18, x, 20. Average is 30. 10, 12, 18, x, 20, average 30. What is the value of x? I am asking. Without multiplication, I mean, first of all, you compare these two. 10, 20 extra. Next 8 extra. Next 12 extra. Next 10 extra. No need to multiplication or no need to take addition. If you compare 30 with 10, 12, 18 and 20. If you compare 10 with 30, it is 20 extra. It is 8 extra, next 12 extra, next 10 extra. 50, 70, 80. So, answer simply 80 is our. Okay. Very simple. Okay, for example, if I take 12, 13, 12, 13, 18, 17, x average is 20. What is the value of x? I am asking. Okay, just you take average only 20. Okay, after that 12. 12 if you compare with 20, how much more? It is 8 more. After this is the 7 more. Next 2 more. Next 3 more. 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2. Come on, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3, 20. So that's why value is 20 plus 20, answer equals to 40 is the answer. Here we have only comparison. Okay, no need to take multiplication or anything. Just you have to compare these numbers with this one. I mean, for example, what is the average of 20? I mean, 21, 23, 24 or 26, comma x average is, for example, let us suppose 30. Let us suppose. Okay, okay. For understanding, I want to take smallest numbers. So, what is the given average? 30. 30. Right. If I compare these two, 21 and 30, how much more number compare with 30? Here we have 21. 21 and 30. If you compare 21 with 30, how much more? It is nothing but 9 extra. Next 7 extra, 16. Next 6 extra, 22. Next 4 extra, 22. 4 extra, 26. So that's why 30 plus 26 answer is equals to 56 answer. This is 56. Did you understand this part? So that's why no need to take multiplications. No need to take multiplication. Okay. Average means is nothing but a comparison. I mean equal division is known as average. Equal division is known as average. This is the model number 2. I hope you understand. Right.